Hello students, let's discuss about the nephron structure and function. Objective to understand the structure of nephron in detail. The excretory system in human being consists of a pair of kidneys. A magnified view of the longitudinal section of kidney shows two prominent regions, a cortex and a medulla. As we zoom into the cortex region, it shows the presence of a numerous nephron. So there are great amount of nephrons present in the each kidney. Each nephron has a Bowman capsules, a proximal convoluted tubule, a loop of Hanley, a distal convoluted tubule that leads to a collecting duct. Nephrons are convoluted in the cortex region and straighten out as loops in the medulla region. Each nephron has a Bowman's capsule, which is a cup-shaped structure that has a layer made of a squamous epithelial cells. In the cavity of the Bowman's capsule, there is a bundle of blood capillaries known as the glomerulus. The blood vessels entering the Bowman's capsule is known as the efferent arteriole and is thicker than the blood vessels. Exciting the capsule, which is a thinner and is known as efferent arteriole. Bowman's capsule and the ruse together, glomerulus ruse together form a malnutrition tube which extends into the proximal convoluted tubule or as called as PCT. On the inner sides, this is built lined a brush bordered epithelium with numerous microvilli. This PCT leads into the loops of Hanley, which lies in the medulla region. It is U-shaped structure and has a descending limb and an ascending limb. This further leads into the distal convoluted tubule or called as DCT, again seen in the cortex region, and it finally joins the collecting duct. As blood flows through the glomerulus, waters, salt, and wastage diffuses into the Bowman's capsule. This liquid then passes into PCT and the loop of Hanley, where water and important salts are absorbed back into the blood vessels. So blue part is water and brownish or yellowish part is wastes. Only the waste material like urea and some water molecules proceed into the DCT or distal convoluted tubule, where more water may get absorbed into the intestinal fluid. This liquid formed is the urine, which is released into the collecting duct. This finally trickles through the kidney into the ureter, which helps the passage of urine into the urinary bladder through the ureter. After a while, urine can the urine can be extracted from the bladder. To summarize, the excretory system in the human beings consists of a pair of kidneys. The longitudinal section of kidney shows two prominent regions as a cortex and a medulla. Inside the kidney, we observed numerous nephrons. Each nephron has a Bowman capsule, a proximal convoluted tubule, a loop of Henle, a distal convoluted tubule that leads to a collecting duct in the cavity of Bowman's capsule. So there is a bundle of blood capillaries known as the glomerulus. As blood flows through the glomerulus, water, salts, and wastes diffuses into the Bowman's capsule. So greenish part is salts, bluish part is water, and bleached part is brownish part, yellowish region. In this Bowman's capsule, the liquid then passes into the PCT and the loop of Henle's, where the water and the important salts are absorbed back into the blood vessels. Only the waste material like urea and some water molecules proceed into the DCT, where more water may be get absorbed into the intestinal fluid. The liquid remaining in the DCT is the urine, which is finally released into the collecting duct.